Today we are diving into the heart of astrology to unravel the enigmatic power of the sun. From providing us warmth to lightening our paths, discover how this celestial giant shapes the very essence of who we are. Hello stars, my name is Beatrice, I'm a professional astrologer, and today I'm going to talk about the meaning of the sun in astrology, in our birth chart and in transit. I'm starting a new series about astrology for beginners, where I'll share my knowledge on basic things you must know if you want to dive into the mysterious world of astrology. I also created a cheat sheet with the basic info that you can download for free, so please check the link in the description. Now let's learn the most important things you need to know about the sun. In astrology, the sun holds a very important significance, symbolizing the essence of self, our identity and vitality. As the central luminary in our solar system, it represents the core of our being, our personality, and it governs the ego, willpower, and the quest for individuality. The sun's position in the natal chart reveals fundamental traits that define a person's core identity. It represents the conscious self, our motivations, our purpose, and the direction in life. Astrologically, the placement of the sun in the birth chart reveals essential aspects of a person's character. The zodiac sign where the sun is placed at your birth is also your zodiac sign. It indicates the most important qualities and traits that shape your personality. For example, someone with the sun in Leo may exhibit qualities such as confidence, creativity, and a desire for recognition, while someone with the sun in Pisces may be sensitive, compassionate, and spiritually inclined. When it comes to the zodiac sign, I want to mention one important thing if you were born on a date between two zodiac signs. There are some periods of time that are considered to belong to a certain sign, but the beginning and the ending date are actually not fixed. Especially if you were born in a leap year, the dates may be different. Let's take for example people born on the 20th of March 2024, the year when I'm recording this video. Traditionally, this is considered a date when your zodiac sign would be Pisces. But the sun entered Aries already on the 20th of March, meaning that the zodiac sign of the persons born in the evening on that day is actually Aries, not Pisces. Usually people born between two signs have characteristics of both of them, but if you want to know for sure what your sun's sign is, you should check that. Besides the zodiac sign, the placement in the houses of your natal chart is very important. It represents the areas of life where you shine, where you can best express yourself, and where it's easier for you to reach your goals. Let's say that your sun is in the 4th house, representing your roots, family, and home. In this case, you are probably an introvert who feels best at home and when surrounded by family and persons you know. You are deeply connected with your family, your roots, and your past. Your family and home are very important topics, and you will want to make your home a warm, cozy, and harmonious place. If you want to analyze the placement of the sun in your birth chart, please take a look at my ebook about the sun in the zodiac signs and in the houses. I'll post a link in the description. Especially if you want to do birth chart readings and earn money with astrology, this ebook will be very helpful. When analyzing the sun in your birth chart, you should also take a look at the aspects it forms with other planets. They provide further insights into how your sense of self interacts with various areas of life. Positive aspects such as trines and sextiles suggest ease and flow in self-expression, while challenging aspects like squares and oppositions may indicate inner conflicts or areas of growth and development. The transiting sun provides light and warmth, and it also puts a spotlight on certain topics. In predictive astrology, transits and progressions involving the sun often coincide with significant shifts in consciousness, opportunities for personal growth, or periods of heightened vitality and energy. Solar returns, marking the sun's annual journey to its natal position, offer valuable insights into the themes and experiences that may unfold during the upcoming year. Beyond individual charts, the sun also holds collective significance, symbolizing leadership, authority, and vitality in a society. In mundane astrology, the sun's transits and aspects are analyzed to understand broader trends and events impacting nations and cultures. But let's talk more about the transiting sun in your horoscope. In astrology, the movement of the planets in relation to the birth chart is a fundamental concept used to understand cycles of growth, change, and transformation. You should always look where the transiting sun is located compared to your birth chart. The house that the sun is transiting represents topics that you focus on in a certain period of time. For example, when the sun transits through the 10th house, there may be a focus on career, public image, and ambitions, while its transit through the 7th house may bring attention to relationships, partnerships, and collaboration. The aspects formed by the transiting sun to the planets in the natal chart offer further insights into the potential opportunities and challenges present during this time. Positive aspects may signify periods of ease, growth, and alignment with your true purpose, while challenging aspects can indicate areas of tension, conflict, or the need for self-reflection and adjustment. Additionally, the transits of the sun can coincide with significant events or milestones in one's life, such as birthdays, career advancements, or moments of personal growth. By paying attention to the themes and energies highlighted during this time, you can harness the power of the sun to cultivate greater clarity, confidence, and energy in your life. This will ultimately guide you toward a deeper sense of fulfillment and purpose. I hope this video helped you get a better understanding of the sun in astrology. Don't forget to download the free cheat sheet and check my ebook on the sun's placement in the birth chart. Until the next time, shine bright like the stars.